Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. We're going to show you how to enter to the developer mode in your Google Pixel 9 Pro. So to do this operation, slide up, scroll down to settings, then scroll down to the about the phone, click on it, and scroll down to the byte number. And there's byte number you have to click 5 times. 1, 2, 3, a few. You are now in developer mode. Yep. So we have got developer mode. And let's see where the developer mode is. Maybe in system. Yeah, we have a developer option right here. So you can enter here. There is a few options to choose in your Android. If you're gonna wish to disable it, you're gonna click here and the developer option gonna be invisible. That's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.